Okay, folks, I made this awesome grilled cheese sandwich with 2 slices of American cheese and like a 5 cheese Italian blend and a 5 cheese Mexican blend of shredded cheese with this Betty Crocker macaroni and cheese, whatever. I'm not product placing, but I am placing a whole bunch of this macaroni and cheese. Let's just dump a whole bunch of this on here. I'm going to make a monstrous sandwich. There you go. Good sandwich. Now let's flip this around here. Hey, what's up? Jiggity NDG. About to eat this little bad boy. Oh, hot. Don't try this at home, folks. But this is going to be awesome. Yeah, that's a beauty.